Welcome to Learn with Elaptech. Today we are going to watch a video on what is a resistor and how to find the value of the resistor. A resistor is a passive electronic component which resists the flow of electric current. There are two symbols. One is left side zigzag American standard and the flat one is IEC standard. Normally the flow of current will be right to left, and if you take the construction of the resistor, mostly made of either carbon, metal or metal oxide film, and it is covered by a thin film of conductive material, and it is wrapped around it and covered by the insulating material with the leads. Between the electric current, voltage and resistance is described by Ohm's law. So the unit of the resistor is also defined as ohms. Electrical resistance is equal to voltage by current. Ohm's law circle is a handy pie chart that shows the most common expressions of Ohm's law, which is very useful reference for things like common appliance problems, where the resistance take most of the places and voltage always come in the top. This is very useful formula for every electrical applications. Let us take an example of electric circuit with a DC voltage source of 5 volt, and if we need 2 amps current, then what could be the resistance to be inserted? So 5 volt divided by 2 amps, that is equal to 2.5 ohms. So in this, voltage is in volts and current in amps and resistance in ohms. So this example can explain how easily we can calculate the resistance value. Let us take an example application with the 9 volt battery and 5 red LED. If you connect this red LED to the battery directly, the current rating of the LED may be 30 to 40 milliamps, so it may cause some damage to the LED. So better you can always connect one resistor in between. How could we calculate the value of this resistor to be inserted? So easy, R equal to Ohm's law, that is R equal to V by I. 9 volt by 40 milliamps, it is around 220 ohms. Different type of resistance based on their applications, constructions and their characteristics. Normally, the fixed resistance are most widely used with different tolerance and applications. And the next one is a potentiometers, which are variable resistance, look like voltage dividers. And trim parts also like some fixed variable resistance, but it can be PCB solderable. Thermostats used as variable resistors to control the current in the flow of circuits. There is also another category of resistors in which resistance vary based on the physical quantity, like temperature in thermistor, light in photoresistors, and voltage in varistors. And now we can see the interesting part of the resistor, the color codes and color bands. Most of the resistors with leads will come with the color codes, which indicates the values and the tolerance. From the sentence of B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife, you can easily remember the first letters of every word from 0 to 9. The color chart also has a tolerance value in the bottom side. In this example, orange, the first one is orange, second digit is blue, that is 3 and 6, and third one is a multiplier, that is 10 power 1, and the fourth one is a tolerance plus or minus 5%. So if you multiply these things, you will get 360 ohms of plus or minus 5% is the tolerance. This is the value of this resistance. So this can be easily identified from the color band. So what is the tolerance in the resistor? It is a maximum difference between its actual value and the required value. Generally, it is expressed in plus or minus percentage values. We can take an example of 5-band resistor. In this, we can add one more digit, that is 1, 2, 3 digits, and the fourth one is similarly multiplier, and fifth one is a tolerance. In this first one is a red color, so we can add 2 from the color chart, and the second is also red, so 2. Again, the third one is black, so 0, and the fourth one is again red, it is a multiplier, so 00. So if we multiply all these things, you can get 22,000, that is 22k, and the tolerance is 5 plus or minus 5% because it is a gold color, that is plus or minus 5 from the chart. So we can add this. So this value of the resistor is 22k with plus or minus 5%. This is how we can easily calculate the resistor value. The next one is a 6-band resistor. In this, there is one more band in the last digit, which is temperature coefficient. Mentioned as TCR, one of the main parameter used to characterize a resistor. TCR defines the changes in resistance as a function of ambient temperature. That is, what is the maximum temperature it can able to withstand before breaking. Similar to 5 band resistance, 6 band also having 3 digits, first, third, second and third digits with different colors as mentioned previously. Again the multiplier, tolerance and the temperature coefficient. So totally here 6 color bands are available. The rest of all calculations are similar to the 5 band resistors. Calculations of all colors in all bands are same. Only the number of bands will going to differ, depends on the values. Here we can see the analogy. First digit is same in 4 band and 5 band. Second digit similarly. Third digit is extra in the 5 band. And multiplier is also same and tolerance also same. So the common color code, if we remember, it will be easy for calculating any value of the resistors. There are also different kind of resistors based on the soldering methods, whether it is SMD or through hole, with the different voltages for maximum allowable currents. Starting from quarter watt, it can go up to maximum of hundreds of wattages based on the current limiting. There is one more kind of resistor called SIP resistor with the same resistors with a common point. That common point can be pulled up or pulled down. Video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this to your friends to get more videos. Thank you so much for being with us. Bye bye.